Hello, welcome back to the Oven Cook. And yeah, we've got nothing. So what I did do, obviously, I've got some chicken and some bacon. It's in the freezer. So what I'm going to do, try and make something up. I've got some rocket salad. Oh, these are nice. We have these little button mushrooms. We have some of them. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, some of these little snow peas, or snap peas, or I think it's called mange tout. We'll have some of those. Big ones. No, I don't want the big mushrooms. See what else we've got left here. So, got red pepper, we'll have that. The yellow pepper, we'll have that. The courgette, we'll have that. And yeah, one carrot will be okay. Don't want that. No, don't want to use that one either. And what we've got here. Ooh, nice lemon. So, what I'm going to do is missing something. What do I need? Oh yeah, some garlic. Love that. So what I'll do that with the chicken, some lemon and garlic, and we'll fry up some of this, the peppers, and I'll grate that with that. Yeah, so we'll make something out of that with the bacon, and probably put a couple of little potatoes in as well. So I'll chop all this up and I'll be back. Okay, so what I've done is sliced up the peppers and just chopped up courgette in there. I sliced up the rest of the courgette into nice slices. I've got chicken and I found some chorizo. That's going to be fried off with this and the mange tout or snow peas or snap peas and mushrooms. We've got our rocket salad, and what I'm going to do is just put some grated carrot over the top. We've got a lemon, and what I found in the fridge was this seriously strong cheese. So I've mixed up the rest of that with some lemon zest and a couple of cloves of garlic. That's going to be stuffed into this chicken, which I've already butterflied open. And I'm going to stuff that in the chicken and wrap it in bacon. So we'll get on with that. Okay, so we've got our chicken wrapped up with cheese and garlic and lemon zest. Put some potatoes in there, like sliced up, and put some lemon in there. as well. So we're going to cook that for, I don't know, a couple of hours maybe. At 180, my favourite number. Just give it a little spritz of olive oil. And we get that in, and then we'll concentrate on the rest of it. So see you back in a minute. Okay, so halfway through, all I'm going to do is just get hold of these. Oh, some lovely juices in the bottom. Just going to give them a turn over. Oh, it smells lovely. Get those bits of lemon in the juices. And we'll get that back in, and we'll get on with the frying up the rest of it. See you soon. Okay, so we've got just a little bit of olive oil in the pan. The heat is already on. Get our bacon and chorizo. Into this, put our leftovers for our courgette and peppers, yellow and red one. Our snap peas and mushrooms. We'll put in some of our sliced courgette, the bigger parts. And squirt a bit of lemon on top. Okay, so we'll turn the heat off and just let that finish off cooking, letting it warm through, and we'll bring it back for a plate up. So see you soon. Okay, so there we're done. We've got our chicken with some soft cheese, garlic and lemon zest, sliced open with bacon wrapped around it, on a bed of rocket, bit of grated carrot. We've got our sort of like stir fry vegetables with peppers, mushrooms, bacon and chorizo, obviously with garlic and olive oil, some lemon. We've got some cooked courgettes in there that have been sliced and chopped, and we've got these are obviously courgette, which has been obviously just sliced, so the potatoes are resting on that, which has been cooked with the chicken and with lemon and all that good stuff. And it smells absolutely gorgeous. A little bit of coriander, a little bit of oregano spread over the top, and so there we have it. So something out of nothing, with all the stuff in the fridge, and yeah, nice one. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, see you later, bye.